Hello and welcome. My name is Adele and welcome to Her Smile. At Her Smile, we specialize in her energy, her beautiful waistline, her skincare, her makeup artistry, and her style. And we help do all of this to help you, our wonderful clients, step out with a beautiful smile. And so we ask you, where do you start your journey in discovering your health, your beauty, and your style? And we say you start here, right now. This is where we begin. Okay, so stay tuned. Now, what we have been doing is working hard on discussing a topic that people don't like to talk about, and that is your pelvic floor. Okay, as I've said, pelvic floor disorders can be embarrassing, affecting half of women over 40 years old. Okay, now that's a very high statistic. Okay, and the symptoms are incontinence, which is very, very embarrassing, and lower back pain, and then discomfort in intimate relationships. But what I'm telling you is, if you had tuned into part one, you would have heard my story, okay, and how embarrassing it was for me, and the journey that I've taken with my pelvic floor. And so that was part one. Part two, I wanted you to understand the anatomy. Anatomy was really, really important about pelvic floor. And so when you start to tune in and understand how it all functions down under, then you understand the importance of how it is everything. It is absolutely everything to your world, okay? If only I knew 20 years ago what I knew now. Okay, so anyway, there's no time like the present. The present is all about now and here and now, and you're in the right place to get the right information. My female doctor watched my pelvic floor tutorial, and afterwards she said, you know, Adele, it's for the first in my life now, I finally understand the pelvic floor. She said that I made it so easy to understand. And now I'm on a mission to help others just like you. Now, as we know, as we age, the pelvic floor loses its elasticity. It becomes stretched, especially if you've given birth. It becomes weak, just like all the other muscles in our body. Okay, there's nothing extraordinary about it. That happens because your body, your muscles just become like that as you age, especially if you're not using them, if you're not recruiting them, okay? And because we don't know that or how to recruit them, we don't. And so they become stretched, they become relaxed, they lose their elasticity, and unfortunately that then means that the whole bottom of our world is going to fall out the bottom, okay? And we want to pull it up and be strengthened and be young and youthful again and enjoy our lives and get out there and run and jump and sing and sneeze and laugh and have relationships, you know, intimate relationships, and enjoy our lives. We want to want to have to, you know, live with this thing over our necks the whole time, and those pads, and worrying about people seeing them. We don't want to that for the rest of our lives, and you don't have to. I'm standing here in front of you, I'm saying you don't have to. All you have to do is learn how to recruit your pelvic floor. And as I've explained to you, I've been on my mission to make sure that people will learn, and that if you take the action as I explain, then you will understand what I'm talking about, right? So all you now need is access to my pelvic floor tutorial. So if you're patient with me, I'm going to actually put the link to download it in my at the top of this video. So when I'm finished here now, I'm going to paste the link. If you can just give me a few minutes to post it and paste the link, then you just click that and that'll take you to where you can access the pelvic floor tutorial, okay? If you have any trouble, please text me, comment below, message me, whatever it is that you need to do to just make sure and that I know that you're getting it, because it's really, really important. This is the most important thing you'll ever learn, is how to recruit your pelvic floor correctly so that you can get on and live your life, all right? Get rid of that back pain, get rid of all that uncomfortableness down under, and also the importance of understanding it. And eventually I'll be in your head, and you'll be hearing me in your head all the time as I'm prompting you, as you remember what I've said on how to recruit it, okay? So yes, it comes to me with my love, and what I'm saying is this is a very important topic, and you've paid attention, so thank you. I thank you for being here with me. This ends the pelvic floor Facebook Lives. And so our next Facebook Lives will start on Saturday, and we've got a really, really, really exciting offer for you there, something you're not going to want to miss out on. Okay, so don't miss it. Saturday's Facebook Live, I'll put a reminder in the group. In the meantime, I will end now so that I can add the link to this video to the pelvic floor tutorial, and you can go and get on with it, all right? Because remember, our mission here at Her Smile is to help you discover your smile and help you get on with your life and have fun. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you on Saturday at the next Facebook Live. Have a lovely rest of your evening.